it's well and good. If you are not aware of the properties, I'll just go through the properties. Okay. So first one is the annulment property. Okay. A variable ANDed with 0 gives 0, while a variable ORed with 1 gives 1. Okay. What does this mean? It says a variable A, when you AND with 0, A dot 0 is 0, and a variable when ORed with 1 gives you 1. Okay, so A dot 0 is 0 and A plus 1 is equal to 1. This is called as your annulment law. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, I hope you all are here with your notebooks and pens. Please take a notebook and pen and then sit. Okay, you will go on noting down the different laws. Okay. So similarly, see annulment law, what it says, A ANDed with 0 gives you 0, and I mean a variable ORed with 1 gives you 1. Okay, so along with this, one more postulate is the identity law. Okay, so identity law states that a variable remain unchanged if it is ORed with 0, right, or ANDed with 1. Means what? See, if you OR A with 1, the variable will retain its value as A. And if you OR A with 0, again you will get A. Understood this property? This is your identity law. Right? The next property which we'll see is idempotent law. Okay? Anyone is aware of this law? What is idempotent law? Idempotent law? No? Okay. So what idempotent law says is a variable remain unchanged when it is ORed or ANDed with itself. So A ANDed with A will also be A, and A ORed with, see, A ORed with A is also A, and A ANDed with A is also A. Now is this understood? I dealt with 3 laws. Okay, one is annulment law, one is identity law, and one is idempotent law. Is these 3 laws understood? Okay, good. Right? We'll proceed further now. This is about your idempotent law. Next comes complement law. Okay. So the complement law. Okay. It says, right, in this law, if a complement is added to a variable, it gives 1. Okay. It means if a complement is ORed with a variable, it gives 1. And if a variable is ANDed with its conjugate, the result is 0. Okay? It means A, see, a variable ORed with itself gives you 1. A variable ANDed with itself gives you 0. Okay? Are you all noting down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right, we'll move further. Okay, the next law is double negation law. The next law is double negation law. So the name itself says it is a double negation. A bar, the whole bar. Okay, so a variable with 2 negation, its symbol gets cancelled out and original variable is obtained. Okay, this is quite logical. Okay, a bar, see it's double negation here, a bar, the whole bar. So what happens, the bar gets cancelled, you have the original variable retained. Okay, so this is your double negation law. Right, the next law is your commutative law. So the commutative law says a variable order does not matter. Okay, in this law. Okay, its variable order does not matter in this law. It means what? It means a plus b is equal to b plus a, right? And A ANDed with B is equal to B ANDed with A. See, it is as good as 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Okay, this is your commutative law. Right, the next law is your associative law. So the order of operation does not matter if the priority of variables are same. Okay, now what does this mean? This is, see, A ORed with B plus C is equal to A ORed with B ORed with C. Okay, similarly, the AND operation A dot BC can be written as AB dot C. Okay, so up till here, was it clear? Up till here, okay, right. So how many properties we did now? We did with annulment law, we did with identity law, we have done with idempotent law, we dealt with complement law, we dealt with double negation law, okay, commutative law and associative law. Any doubts in any of these laws? Anyone wants me to once again tell any of the law? Have you all noted down? All of you have noted down it, I hope so. Okay. Annulment law. Okay, someone wants Kirti. Okay, let me go to the okay. See this annulment law. Okay, it says a variable ANDed with 0 gives 0, while a variable ORed with 1 gives 1. It means a dot 0 remains 0 and a plus, see, a variable ORed with 1 gives 1. So a plus 1 is your 1. Okay, Kirti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Complement law is over. Double negation is understood, everyone. Commutative law. Yes. Associative law. Okay. So next we'll go with the distributive law. Okay. So this law governs, okay, opening up of brackets. Okay. See, in your basic mathematics, you might have done these laws. So right, in maths, you have done these laws, associative law, distributive law.
Yes, ma'am.
So this also is the similar one. Here also in Boolean algebra also, it is similar. The second row. Okay. So distributive law governs opening up of brackets. It means what? See, A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Okay. So you can read the statement once again. This law governs opening of brackets. Okay. Then similarly, you can see here A plus B dot C can be written as A plus B dot A plus C. So this is your distributive law. Next is your absorption law. So this law involved absorbing the similar variables. Okay. What do you mean by absorbing? Absorbing. See, it's a general English word, absorbing. No one? Absorb करने का मतलब पता है? You all know what is meant by absorbing? Yes? ठीक है? So absorbing means to take in or to soak up. ठीक है? So similar analysis you can put here. Now absorption law में क्या होता है? one variable gets absorbed. Okay, see, for example, a dot a plus b. Okay, so what happens? It can be written as a. Okay, and another example, a plus ab can be written as a. Now, see, b is absorbed in a. समझ में आया? Understood what is absorption law?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The last law here would be De Morgan's law. So the De Morgan's law says the operation of AND or logic circuit is unchanged if all inputs are inverted. The operator is changed from AND to OR. The output is inverted. Means what? Its statement is a bit complicated. Let me explain you with the example. See, what he says, the statement says the operation of an AND or logic circuit is unchanged. Okay, see, if you take this statement A dot B, the whole bar, okay, this expression. So what happens? This negation comes to individual variables a bar and b bar, and this initially it was AND operation, now it gets converted to OR operation. Okay, this is your De Morgan's law. Okay, reverse, you see this new example, he has given a plus b whole bar, okay, which is equal to, this negation comes to both individual variables now, a bar and b bar, and this OR sign gets changed into AND sign. Okay, this is your De Morgan's law. Is this understood? De Morgan's theorem? Okay, right. Okay, so this is the postulate which we have done. Abhi tak, whatever I have explained you till now, it's all put up as a table. Okay, so you all can see all the laws being covered here. Okay, first one was your annulment law, okay, which says a dot 0 is 0, right, and a plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, this is your annulment law. Okay, similarly you have a dot 1 is equal to a and a plus 0 is equal to a. Okay, right, so this is your identity law. Next, you have idempotent law, which says a plus a is equal to a and a dot a is equal to a. Okay, this is your idempotent law. Okay, then you have complement law, which says a plus a bar is equal to 1 and a bar equal to 0. Okay, any doubt with these four laws? These four laws are clear? Ankita, you have any problem in these any of these four laws?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. So we'll move ahead now. These are the basic four laws. Then we have a double negation law where A bar is equal to A. Okay, this is double negation, also called as involution law. Okay, also called as, see, involution law. Okay, next one is your commutative law, which says A plus B is equal to B plus A, or A dot B is similar to B dot A. This is your commutative law. Okay. Next you have associative law, which says order of operation does not matter. Okay. Associative law says order of operation does not matter. Okay. Only the priority of variables, okay, are mattering here. So A plus B plus C can be written as A plus B, then plus C. Similar is with the ANDing operation. Right? The next one is the distributive law, which says or which governs opening of the brackets. Okay, distributive law governs opening of the brackets. So you have A into B plus C, which can be written as A dot B plus A dot C. Okay, or A plus BC can be written as A plus B dot A plus C. Right? This is your distributive law. Then you have De Morgan's theorem, which says De Morgan's theorem, which says the operator is changed from and to else or to and. Okay, so when you open this bracket, A plus B whole power negation. So what happens when you open the bracket? The negation gets entitled to individual variables, and the OR function gets changed to AND function. Okay, and the vice versa here. A dot B whole bar will be equal to A bar plus B bar. That AND is changed to OR now. Okay, and the last theorem is A plus A dot B is equal to A, or A dot A plus B equal to A. This is your absorption theorem, where the lowest number of variable gets absorbed. Up till here, is that clear, everyone? Just go through the properties once again, everyone. In your notebooks, let's go to the properties. Go through the properties, everyone. Okay. See, take down this. F is equal to AB plus BC plus B bar C. Once you are done with the numerical, let me know. It's of only 2 lines. सिर्फ 2 लाइन का है. Once you are done, you let me know. You all can tally. Okay. Try the second one. Anyone, anywhere is not understanding, you let me know. Okay, put it in the chat box if you have any problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in the first question,
Ah.
why didn't we take the B common in the first A plus AB
Yeah,
plus
that
BC?
is also possible. Yeah, that is. Who is this?
Ma'am,
Ankita.
Ankita.
Ankita. Okay. Ankita, what you can do is you can take B common. Okay, you can have A plus C also there.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, done with the second one. Put your answers. A bar C plus A B bar. Yes. So the tally करो. A bar C plus A B bar. Okay. Right. Ankita, still you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you are stuck there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, उसके बाद the problem is after that you don't have any common terms or any law to be applied here.
Yes, ma'am.
So to
Yes, ma'am.
have it in the minimum form, b plus b bar is anyhow 1, so we have taken b plus b bar common. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. The next one. Okay? You all are doing it, right? Done? It should be solved here. Okay, you can see here. I hope you all are doing and taking some time. But parallelly, you can have a watch here. Just see. So what I have done here? Here I have used which property? A dot C bar. I have used De Morgan's property. Okay, I have used De Morgan's law here. So I splitted it as A bar plus C bar. Okay, and now I opened this bracket. So I have written A B bar C dot AB plus A bar C A B bar C dot C. Okay. Next I have written AB plus A bar C bar plus 0 plus A B bar C. Okay. Now you all are here. Okay. Up till here was it understood? Okay. Why I have put 0? Here why is that 0? AB plus A bar C bar plus 0. Yes, because B dot B bar is equal to 0. Okay, so this term is 0 because of B bar and B. And I have retained this term, right? Where again, see, absorption property is used. C gets absorbed in this. Okay, right? C dot C equal to C, right? Next, I have ABC plus ABC bar plus A bar plus C bar plus A B bar C. Okay, I just rearranged the terms here. The terms are rearranged here. Okay, so AB can be written as, see, AB can be written as AB into C plus C bar. Okay, which is ABC plus ABC bar. Okay, so next I'll go with AC. What I have done here, I have taken from this, I have taken, sorry, not from this, from this ABC and AB bar C. What I have done, I have taken AC common, then B plus B bar, okay, plus C bar as it is, okay, C bar and this term is there. So I have taken C bar, then AB plus 1 and A bar I have kept here as it is. Is this understood? Is this step understood? Okay, right? So after this what happens? AC plus C bar plus A bar, right? Why? Because see, B plus B bar, it will be 1, okay? And see this AB plus 1, okay? AB plus 1. If you recall the property, any variable ORed with 1 is 1. Okay, so this term goes to C bar and A bar is retained as it is. Okay, then you have, when you further simplify, third step. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, from here you want explanation, I'll tell you. Okay, see this is the given numerical AB plus AC bar plus A B bar C into AB plus C. Okay, this is the given numerical. So here what we have done, I took AB. Okay, now AC bar, here I applied De Morgan's law. Okay, so I get A bar plus C bar. This term, I open the bracket and I've written A B bar C dot AB plus A B bar C dot C. Okay. Next step, I have retained AB as it is, A bar as it is, C bar as it is. Okay. Now here I have B bar and B. So B dot B bar. Okay, B dot B bar is what? 0. Okay, so I have made it 0. So this whole term will go to 0. Okay, next you have A B bar. Now C dot C, a variable ANDed with itself is the variable. So C dot C is C again. Okay, next. Next, see, now what I have done, see, after this step, what I have done, I have taken AB. You know, I can represent AB as ABC plus ABC dash. Okay, AB can be represented as ABC plus ABC dash, because C plus C dash is equal to 1. If I take AB common, C plus C dash will be equal to 1. So again you will be left out with AB. Okay, to further simplify, I have written AB as ABC plus ABC bar. Okay, then A bar I have retained as it is, C bar I have retained as it is, then A, B bar, C I have retained as it is. Okay, up till here. Now you can hear me. Up till here, is it clear? Shubham.
Yes, ma'am, I cannot hear you properly.
Maybe you have the network issues because others can hear. Shubham, थोड़ा बाहर आके मतलब wherever you have good network, you can please sit there.
Cannot hear you properly.
Others,
Message.
हाँ बोल. Okay, others do not have problem, right? Shubham, you need to solve it. Just see where you get good network, because as such there is no problem with others. Okay, we'll continue with this. Right. Right. So once we are done with this, next step is from these AC, right? Okay. See, from this ABC and A, B bar, C, I have taken AC common, right? B plus B bar I have written. Okay. Next, see, AB, C bar and C bar. From this I have taken C bar common and I have written AB plus 1 and I have retained A bar as it is. Okay. Right. So once you do this, then you have almost simplified it. See, B bar goes to 1. Okay, B bar goes to 1. So you are left out with AC. Any variable ORed with 1 is 1. Okay, so you are left out with C dash and A dash kept as it is. Okay. Now you see, you have here here you have an option of A bar plus C bar where you can apply your De Morgan's theorem. Okay, where this can be written as, see, A bar according to De Morgan's theorem, see, A bar plus C bar can be written as A dot C the whole bar. Okay, so next step what we have done, AC plus AC bar. Okay, so AC plus AC bar, right? Next, A plus A bar is equal to 1. Okay, A plus A bar equal to 1. Right? This is your complement law. A plus A bar equal to 1 is your complement law. Okay? So the final answer is 1. ठीक है? Understood this numerical, everyone? Okay then, right? So, do you want still some more numericals to be solved? Or is it okay if I give you it as a homework? Okay, right? So within an hour, I'll put up the homework in your group. Okay, before next class, you try to solve the numerical given, right? Okay. So next class, we'll start with what I had explained in the last class. Okay, last class I had told you something about sum of products and product of sums, the mean term and max term expressions. Okay, so next class we'll start understanding what is mean term and what is max term. How do you create the Boolean expressions? How do you write the truth table? Okay, so that's it for today's class. If you need any explanation of any of the part, you can let me know. Okay, so for the time being today we'll quit. We'll quit for today. Okay. Any problems in any of the numerical or any of the part, any of the laws? I think Ketan, you were asking something and I could not answer that. Ketan, please get back to me on the WhatsApp. Okay, if any of the law is not understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay, okay, chalo. All can leave the group.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.